Millionaire ways to find your purpose. Discovering one's purpose in life is a timeless and age-old pursuit that has captured the attention and imagination of great philosophers, thinkers, and writers throughout history. Finding your purpose is an essential part of living a fulfilling and meaningful life. Knowing this gives you a sense of direction, provides a framework for decisions and actions, and serves as an anchor and a source of motivation and inspiration. There are many ways to explore and identify purpose. Here are some tips and strategies to help you along the way. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Create a personal vision statement. One of the most important tasks we face in our lifetime is discovering our purpose. Finding this allows us to live a fulfilling life, and to make a positive impact on the world around us. There are various ways to go about finding your purpose, including self-reflection, and talking to trusted friends and family members. Once you have a general idea of your purpose, it's important to create a personal vision statement that serves as a roadmap towards achieving goals. Finding purpose in life can be a daunting task for many individuals. It requires honest self-reflection, introspection, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Also, it is also one of the most empowering and transformative journeys you can embark on. Creating a personal vision statement and a life purpose statement are two powerful tools that can help you on this journey. Number 2. Read. Finding one's purpose in life can be a challenging journey, but it's an important one to undertake. There are many ways to approach this search. One effective method is to read books on the subject. Books on personal development and philosophy can all offer valuable insights and guidance for discovering purpose. There are countless authors and thought leaders who have shared their wisdom and experience on the topic, and by reading their insights, you can gain clarity on your own path. Number 3. Explore your interests. For some, it may come easy while others may spend years searching for it. One way to find your purpose is by exploring your interests, the things that truly make you happy and ignite a fire within you. Once you identify those interests, begin to see how they align with your values, and can be translated into a fulfilling career or lifestyle. Number 4. Spend time with people who inspire you. Finding your purpose in life can be a hard task, but it is also one of the most rewarding pursuits you can undertake. Surround yourself with people who inspire you. Spending time with individuals who have a clear sense of their life purpose, and who follow their passions can ignite the desire to find your own. Another way to explore your purpose is to experiment with new activities and hobbies that spark curiosity and excitement. Number 5. Develop a greater self-awareness. Developing self-awareness is a key factor. Through reflection, one can identify their strengths, weaknesses, and areas of interest. By taking time to look at life experiences and understanding your innermost desires, you can start to uncover your purpose. Knowing your personality and strengths can give you a better idea of what kind of life and work will bring you fulfillment. Reflect on personal values, goals, and passions. By analyzing these elements, you can gain a better understanding of what truly matters, and what gives you a sense of fulfillment. It's important to understand that finding purpose is a continuous journey, one that requires ongoing effort and reflection. Self-awareness is just the first step in this process, and it's one that lays the foundation for further exploration. Once we're in touch with our own wants and needs, we're better equipped to navigate the many options and opportunities that come our way. Number 6. Take time for yourself. Growing and finding purpose in life is a journey that we all embark on. While some may find their calling early, others may search for years to uncover what truly drives them. One effective way to discover your purpose is by taking some time for yourself. This can involve doing something you love, reflecting on goals and values, or simply disconnecting from the distractions of the world to focus on inner growth. Explore different hobbies, and see if any of them align with your core values and beliefs. Taking time and engaging in self-care practices can help to clear your mind and provide clarity on what truly matters to you. This can involve taking a break from responsibilities and duties, engaging in self-care activities, and positive interests. Number 7. Have a passion project. One way to discover what you are meant to do is to have a passion project. This could be anything from starting a blog about a topic you are interested in, to volunteering at a nonprofit organization. Another way to uncover your purpose is to consider the injustices that bother you. Think about how you can contribute to making a positive change. It may also be useful to reflect on personal values and strengths, to identify areas where you can make a meaningful impact. Number 8. Focus on what you have. Focus on what you have instead of constantly pursuing what you lack. Take a step back and appreciate your current situation. Think about what you are grateful for, and what brings you joy. This can give you insight into what truly resonates, and may lead you towards discovering your purpose. It can be easy to get caught up in what others deem as important or successful, but this can lead to feeling unfulfilled and unsure about one's path. This can include your existing skills, experiences, and interests. A helpful tip is to focus on what already brings you joy and fulfillment. Consider what activities make you the most happy, and think about how you can incorporate those passions into your daily life. Number 9. Look for ways to be of service. In our daily lives, it's easy to get caught up in our own demands and desires. Sometimes we forget to look beyond ourselves at the people and world around us. However, by taking the time to intentionally seek out ways to be of service to others, we not only benefit them, but also enrich our own lives. Whether it be a small gesture of kindness or a larger act of generosity, being of service can provide us with purpose, connection, and a deeper sense of fulfillment. Looking for ways to be of service to others is a core tenet of many belief systems and ethical frameworks. It is also a practice that can bring immense fulfillment and personal growth to those who engage in it. Taking the time to explore how you can support and aid those around you, whether it be through volunteering, donating to charitable causes, or simply lending a listening ear, can make a significant impact on both the individual you are helping and the world at large. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 10. Design your own life. Your purpose is something you must design for yourself. It is not something that can be handed to you on a silver platter. It's a journey that you must undertake, and it can be both challenging and rewarding. To design your own life, you must first have a clear understanding of what you hope to achieve. Take the time to reflect on what's truly important to you, what brings you joy, and what you're passionate about. It's only when you know these things that you can start to set goals for yourself, and create a path that aligns with your purpose. Number 11. Know your innermost needs. Understanding our innermost needs is crucial in shaping the way we live our lives. Often, we may find ourselves lost or dissatisfied with our current circumstances, and wonder why we're not able to find fulfillment. It's important to realize that until we truly know what we want and need, we may continue to feel this way. Taking the time to introspect and reflect on our desires can help us move forward with more direction and purpose. Discovering and understanding our deepest needs is a crucial step towards achieving happiness and fulfillment in life. Our innermost desires and passions reveal our true nature, and help us identify the paths that lead to growth and self-realization. By taking the time to reflect on what truly matters to us, we can cultivate a greater sense of purpose and direction, and make choices that align with our values and goals. It's never too late to explore and uncover our innermost needs, and doing so can be a transformative and empowering experience. Number 12. Find out what qualities you enjoy expressing to the world. Finding your purpose in life is one of the most important things you can do. To truly know your purpose, you must first take the time to reflect on your passions and interests. What qualities do you enjoy expressing to the world? What are your natural talents? It could be creativity, compassion, or leadership skills, for example. Number 13. Turn your pain into purpose. Many people experience difficult and painful moments throughout life. These experiences can leave an incredible impact, and shape our attitudes and limited self-beliefs. The idea of turning pain into purpose is the concept that we can take the hardships we've experienced, and use them as fuel for growth and transformation. By reframing these negative experiences, and channeling them towards a positive outcome, we are able to not only heal and find closure, but also create something beneficial for ourselves and others. Most of us have experienced pain at some point in our lives, whether it be physical, emotional, or both. It is easy to get lost in the negative feelings, and feel like there is no way out. However, what we do with that pain can make all the difference. Instead of letting it control us, we can use it to fuel our purpose, and create something positive out of a negative situation. What comes after pain can be transformative if you allow it to be. It takes practice. But, by using pain as a source of motivation, we can channel our negative experience into something life-changing. Number 14. Use powerful mindset tools like affirmations and visualizations. Another powerful approach to discovering your purpose is through the use of mindset tools like affirmations and visualizations. By incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine, you can begin to shift your mindset towards one that is focused on goals and aspirations. Affirmations help to reprogram negative thought patterns, and shift your focus towards positivity and possibility. With the endless demands and responsibilities of modern life, it can be easy to lose sight of our center and purpose. That's where these powerful mindset tools can come in, allowing us to step back and reconnect with the larger picture. By visualizing our goals and repeating affirmations that align with our values, we can rekindle our passion, maintain our focus, and move forward with renewed energy and purpose. Integrating these practices into our daily routines can provide a solid foundation for a fulfilling and intentional life. Don't forget to visit our description link below. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.